This section is about forming ionic compounds. Also known as salts, these are pure substances that occur when one atom transfers an electron to another atom, creating opposite charges. This leads to an electrostatic attraction between the two atoms, or an ionic bond. Let's go through an example. Magnesium, an alkaline earth metal, is in group 2 on your periodic table, so it would have 2 valence electrons. I've shown that here with 2 dots. Oxygen is in group 16 on your periodic table, which means it has 6 valence electrons and has 6 dots. Using the octet rule, magnesium would be more stable if it lost those 2 electrons, and oxygen would be more stable if it gained 2 electrons. So what you see happen is the 1 electron from magnesium gets transferred to the other oxygen. And what happens is the magnesium gains a positive charge and the oxygen gains a negative charge, because the magnesium's lost an electron and the oxygen has gained an electron. Of course, magnesium's octet rule is not satisfied yet, so it will lose the other electron as well. When that is done, magnesium now forms a 2+ charge and oxygen forms a 2- charge. Notice that magnesium now has 0 dots around it, meaning its octet is full, and oxygen has 8 dots around it, meaning its octet's full. Because they have opposite charges, they are now attracted towards each other. And since it only takes 1 magnesium and 1 oxygen to satisfy each other's octet rule, the formula we would see would be 1 Mg and 1 O. Here's another example with magnesium and chlorine. Magnesium, of course, wants to lose 2 electrons, and chlorine would like to gain 1 electron. So magnesium will give that 1 electron to chlorine. So magnesium will transfer that 1 electron to chlorine, like so. Now magnesium has a +1 charge, and the chlorine has a -1 charge. Notice that chlorine's octet is full, but magnesium has not lost that last electron to fulfill its octet. So it'll find another chlorine. Now that there is another spot available for that last remaining electron in magnesium's outer shell, it will go ahead and transfer it over to the other chlorine, giving the magnesium a 2+ charge and each chlorine a -1 charge. Because it takes 1 magnesium and 2 chlorines to satisfy all three's octet rule, we write the formula as MgCl2.